Value sets, flex fields, lookups, PIP reports, and HCM extract. So these are the topics we need to discuss. Okay. This we have not covered, right? Or did we cover this? Did we cover or not?
No, sir, we not covered the topics.
Okay. 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 So coming to the value sets, flex fields, and lookups. So this is the big topic, guys. BIP reports and HCM extracts are the big topics. It will take around 35 to 40 classes, but this will complete in the next 4 to 5 days. Okay, so list of values. List of values. Okay, and flex fields to create the extra information in the Fusion page. To create extra information in the Fusion page, that is called flex fields. Lookups also list of values. So first of all, what do you mean by extra information? First of all, what do you mean by extra information? What do you mean by extra information? For example, there were 18 instances. Setup and maintenance. Search. For example, manage. Create a job. So this is the job page given by Oracle, guys. So this is the job page given by Oracle. So for example, I'm giving Oracle job. Oracle job one something, I'm getting some data. Okay. So when we create the job in the system, so I would like to add country and city fields. So actually here it is coming country and city fields, right? So this is not Oracle standard fields. So these fields are standard status, full-time, part-time, job family, job function. This is called standard fields. That means when you take the product from the Oracle, so these fields are standard, but these are the not standard. Country, city fields are the not standard fields. These fields are not standard fields. Country and city fields are the not standard fields. So you will ask question to me, sir, then why it is coming here, right? So then why it is coming this country and city fields here? Because means other people are doing practices, right? So other students are doing practices, right? So that is the reason it is coming. So to add the extra fields in Fusion application, so to add the extra fields in the Fusion application, so we have to call as flex fields. To create the extra information in the Fusion page, that is called flex fields. To create the extra information on the Fusion page, that is called flex fields. That field, if you want to add the list of values, That field, if you want to add the list of values, that field, if you want to add the list of values, that is called value set. Field I can create using flex fields. Field I can create using flex fields. Field I can create using flex fields. Field I can create using flex field. But data of the data of the field will be taken care by field I can create using flex fields. But data of the field will be taken care by value sets. Field I can create using flex fields, but data of the field will be taken care by value sets. Hmm? So what is the, for example, I can create country field using flex fields. I can create the country field using flex field. But the country have a data, right? Country have a data. What is the data? India, US. So this is called data. This will be taken care by value sets. This will be taken care by flex fields. Got it? Getting or not, guys? So what is mean by value sets and what is mean by flex fields?
Yes, sir.
You tell me, Srikanth, what is your understanding?
So, flexi fields means in Fusion, you want to change some information like fields to add either I mean extra fields to add extra fields.
Yeah, to add the extra fields, we can go with the flex fields. For
So
that field, yeah, tell me.
what is the difference between field changes and flexi fields, sir? I mean we have done this process in sandbox.
Sandbox is different. Sandbox, we cannot create the fields.
Yeah, which we have created there also country and city, no, sir.
No, no,
Uh,
no. We have created only modifications, right?
yeah,
The
okay, sir.
fields modifications we have done. That is called sandbox. And
Yeah,
adding the
okay.
field not will not be taken care by adding the fields will not be taken care by flex fields.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Adding the fields will not be taken care by flex fields.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So this you will ask definitely this question to me. So why these two fields are coming? You are telling that these fields are not there because so our students are doing the practices, right? So that is the reason they added these country and city fields. But in the standard Oracle page, these two fields will not be there. In the standard Oracle page, these two fields will not be there. Okay. In the standard Oracle page, these two fields will not be there. Country and city fields. This is added by through flex fields. Okay. Okay. So now coming to the types of flex fields. Types of flex fields. One, descriptive flex field. So usually called as DFF. Descriptive flex fields usually called as DFF. Extensible flex fields usually called as DFF. Descriptive flex fields, extensible flex field, key flex. Okay. Descriptive, extensible, and key flex fields. So descriptive flex fields, extensible flex field, and key flex fields. So to add the extra information on the page, so we can use this one. So what is the difference between these three? By using the descriptive flex field, only single record only can be created. Here, multiple records. Here, combination of multiple columns. So here, most of the students are getting confusion. What do you mean by single record and what do you mean by multiple records? Combination of multiple columns data merge together. Called as single record and multiple records. I will tell you, form and table. Hmm? Form and table.
Sir.
So what do you mean by form and what do you mean by table? Form and table. Okay. So form and table. What do you mean by form and what do you mean by table? Okay. I will tell you. Okay. So when you join the company, hmm, they will give one employee form, right? When you join the company, they will give one different records are different, na?
Yeah.
Fields are different and record is different. I'm asking single record or multiple records. Simplify form.
So single record, it will be. So only one person's details will be there, sir.
Correct. 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 Okay. In the employee form, there is a section called dependents. So one employee have multiple dependents or only one dependent? So dependents are multiple or single? Tell me.
Multiple, sir.
So spouse is the dependent right. Parents, dependent right. Children. So this is multiple records, huh? Spouse data, parents data, children's data, spouse record, parents record, children's record,
It's a multiple data ID.
multiple records. Multiple records. Okay, I will tell you one more example to get the clarity. details. EMP number, EMP name. Line number, employee name, sorry. Save button. So employee number, employee name, sorry. Have a add button. You remember, guys, when we discuss about the expense report form. So in expense report form, header data, lines data is there, right? Did you observe?
Yes, sir.
So lines, expense lines, we have a multiple rows or not? Tell me.
Yeah, so there will be multiple rows.
Multiple rows. There will be multiple rows. So to add the multiple rows concept, that is called extensible flex fields. So descriptive flex field, you can create only single record. Form. So for example, if you see here, add button press, add, multiple employees I can add. So here you can add only one employee at a time, right? So by using the add button, so row will be add. By using add button, row will be add. By using add button, row will be add. So at a time, I can add multiple employee data. That is possible. That is possible using extensible flex fields. So this is the DFF, guys. This is the EFF. So by using the DFF, I cannot create multiple records. So using using extensible flex fields, I can add multiple records. So using DFF, I can add only single record. So that is the way you have to understand. Getting or not getting, guys? Okay.
Getting.
Now key flex fields, combination of multiple columns, data merged together and created as field. That has key flex fields. Key flex fields. So for example, guys, employee skill details. Employees skill name. Skill code. Skill rate. Skill name, skill code, and skill rate. Skill code is Oracle. Skill code is FF01 Skill rate is 4. So front end, it will display like this, guys. So the combination. So for example, this is the Oracle dot FF01 Oracle.FF01 The combination of multiple columns data clubbed together and display into display into single field. It is called key flex field. So this is called combination, guys. So this is one column data. This is another column data. This is another column data. So end user will understand. Okay, Oracle is the skill name. So Oracle 1 2 3 is the skill code. 4 is the skill rate. So like that, they will understand. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
So in the backend table, so these columns are divided. This is different column. This is different column. This is different column. Columns are divided into different columns. These fields are divided into different columns. But front end will display into only one field. That is called key flex field. Understand, right? Flex fields understand or not, guys? So theoretically I
Understand.
explained. Okay. Next to value sets. Types. First, format only. Format only value set. Today I will discuss only theoretically. Format only and independent, dependent, dependent. Format only independent, dependent, independent. Subset, subset, independent, dependent, subset, table. Format only independent, dependent, subset, and table. So they are the types of value sets. Guys, I'll come in 1 minute. I'll drink some water and I'll come.
Okay, sir.
Format only value set. So for example, in the page, employee name is there, amount is there, amount column is there, amount field is there. Client says that employee name field should not enter numbers. Amount field should not enter characters. Field this employee name field should not enter the numbers. Amount field should not enter the characters. So that will be taken care by format only value set. So you create the flex field using employee name, but you apply this format only value set. So while you define the format only value set, we have options are there, character, number, date, like that we have options are there. So you have to apply that, then you have to apply this to here. So that is called format only value set, guys, but don't worry, I will explain practically. Independent value set. The data of the field which is not dependent, then we will take as independent. The data of the field which is not dependent, then we will take as the independent. The data of the field which is not dependent, then we will take as the independent. Then we will take as the independent. So for example, I have a field called department. Example I'm going to do. Department field. Department we have accounts, sales, HR, admin, IT department like that. So this data is not dependent, right? Then we will create the independent answer. For example, we have a country and city fields are there. Country India, US, UK. So here city field depending on country. For example, if I select the India, I want to display Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore. If I select the USA, I want to display North America, sorry, NC New York, NY New York, NC North Carolina, and Dallas, UK, London, Bridgetown, okay, Bridgetown, Oval. So for example, if I select the India, so this data will come in the city field. If I select the US, this data will come. If I select the UK, this data will come. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is called independent value set. So this is called independent value set. Independent value set, dependent value set. So independent means the list of values which is not dependent on another one. That is called independent. So that the list of values which is depending on country's value set. That is called dependent value set. Understand, right? What do you mean by independent? What do you mean by dependent? So guys, I am telling only theoretical, guys. Practically we'll see. Don't worry. Practically we'll discuss one by one. Don't worry at all. subset value set. Subset value set also sum of the values from sum of the values from dependent. Sum of the values from the dependent. Some of the values from the dependent. For example, if I select the India related cities will come. US means US related cities will come. UK means UK related cities will come. Some of the values from independent, not dependent. Independent. For example, see here every value will be this value will be this data will come. This value will be this data will come. This value will be this data will come in the independent dependent. But when it comes to dependent and subset, the department and independent and subset, some of the values from the independent called as
Yeah, good morning,
subset are part of the values. For example, here we have a 5 departments are there. I want to take HR and admin, HR and
Yeah, good morning, Vinod. You
HR and
able to hear my
admin
voice?
values. We will take from
Yeah, good morning.
independent values set
Yeah, you able to hear my voice?
and create as
Yeah, yes.
called as subset. HR admin values will take independent value set and create HR admin values will take as
Yeah, my
independent value
voice
set
is
and create
audible.
as subset. HR and admin values will take as independent value set and create as a subset. That is called subset value set.